guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy that you're here. Today I am showing you what I eat in a day, but while cutting. So I have been building muscle mass for the past year and a half, and it is finally time to shred down and show that muscle. So the way I am doing this is just being in a small calorie deficit. And it doesn't have to be a lot, at most 500 calories. Really, you shouldn't go any lower than that if you want it to be sustainable. So on the days that I lift and run, I am trying to be in a deficit of about 200 to 300. And then on days where I don't lift, it's more like a rest day or an active rest day, I try to be in about 400 to a 500 calorie deficit. And the reason why my deficits are a little bit smaller on the days that I lift are because I am burning more calories, I have a larger energy expenditure, so it will all even out. Plus, I need more calories to get through my lifts and to have that energy to run. So currently I am following a meal plan. I am actually going to school to be a registered dietitian, so I'm studying nutrition right now, and meal plans are an important aspect of what I'm gonna have to know and make for other people. So I thought, why not try it on myself? So right now I'm kind of experimenting on myself. I took my average calories each day that I wanna reach on the days where I'm running, kind of made it so it's customized to my workouts. But today is Wednesday. Today I did a long run. So I am burning more calories because I ran 5.5 miles at a pretty steady pace, and then did some striders after and some core. So my calories today is gonna be in about a 200 calorie deficit just because I need those added calories for energy. So I am about to make breakfast because I just got done running, showered and everything, and I'm pretty hungry. Today for breakfast, I have a smoothie bowl. It is a total of 575 calories and has 32 grams of protein. So another thing I wanna mention is since I am cutting, I am really prioritizing protein, meaning I am trying to hit almost 1 gram per body weight. So this means I'm about 120 pounds. I'm trying to hit 120 pounds each day of protein. Even if I'm around 110 to 125, that's where I wanna be. That's gonna help me feel full and satisfied, so that way if I am eating less throughout the day, it won't really affect me compared to if I was eating more heavily carbs, because it's gonna burn through my body quicker, therefore I'd be more hungry. So a key tip if you wanna lose weight and really tone your muscles, and if you're in a deficit, just really prioritize more protein. But I'm so excited to show you guys this smoothie bowl recipe. It is so amazing. I wanna give you guys a few tips before you make this bowl on your own. So how to properly make a smoothie bowl. First of all, you need a really good blender. I think I have the Ninja blender, and that does a really good job. But the key tip is you wanna just slowly add liquid to your mix, and then as it's blending, you wanna stop the blending process and mix it up so it will blend easier. Smoothie bowls do take a little bit of time to make, so you just have to be patient and just keep stopping the blending process, mixing it up, adding more liquid if you need to, but make sure to add the liquid very slowly, because if you add too much, it's gonna be a normal smoothie. And of course, you can use this recipe as a normal smoothie as well. I just love smoothie bowls, especially in the summertime. It feels like you're eating ice cream. All right, guys, welcome to the kitchen. We are gonna make some lunch now. I have ground turkey tacos. These are one of my all-time favorite recipes, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. But first, I'm gonna cook my whole ground turkey because I'm gonna have that for dinner tonight and then also meal prep it for the rest of the week. Alright guys, here are the tacos. They turned out so good. This is such an easy lunch recipe to make, or even dinner. We're gonna give it a little taste test. So good. So good. These are about 400 calories, and they have almost 30 grams of protein in them. But I'm gonna eat these and finish my meal prepping for the week. These are actually so good, it's insane. Hi guys, I am back. It's just a couple more hours later now, but I decided that I'm gonna meal prep dinner for the next 2 days since I have this dinner recipe on there for the next 2 days. So I'm just gonna cook it now so that way I don't have to do it later because I'm kind of getting tired. So I'm just gonna cook it now since I have nothing better to do and I'm in the cooking mood. So I'm also drinking my greens right now. So this is like a pink lemonade greens drink. I got it from my work. I work at like a personal training studio, so we sell a bunch of different products. So she gave some to me to try, and this is actually really good. I tried one yesterday. It was like the berry flavor. It wasn't as good, but this is pink lemonade, and this is really good. But yeah, I'm gonna cook my dinner. So for tonight, we are having Banza noodles. I don't know if you've heard of Banza. It's a really good high protein pasta brand. I'm having that with some shrimp, and I'm gonna saute it with lemon, add some spinach, tomatoes, and olive oil, and it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be my dinner for the next 2 days. Okay, here are my key ingredients. So we have the Banza pasta. I'm gonna do 4 ounces of this, so 2 ounces for each serving. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna do some tomatoes, lemon, and some shrimp. But first, I'm gonna boil the water for the pasta, and while that's boiling, I'm gonna defrost this just in a strainer under cold water. Okay, I just made a quick snack before I'm gonna go run some errands. I had Greek yogurt, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, drizzled some cacao nibs, and cut up an apple. And this makes a really nice dip. Look at that. And this has 20 grams of protein.